Alright guys, just want to make a quick video on showing you guys what your gear shifter cables and what your gear shifter looks like. So here's your gear shifter and this is it right here. So we have two cables coming out of it. Well, they're not really cables, they are solid metal, sort of like a push rod type of thing. And so this one over here is for going front and backward. So that's third and that's fourth. And then when you're doing side to side, which is neutral, this cable over here is used. And so this part over here converts side to side movement into forward and backward movement for this cable. So for first gear, I put it to the left and up front, and then for second, left and back. So as you can see, each different combination creates another combination in the gearbox, and that's how you get your gears. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse. Alright, so the cables, they actually look like this. And so this part is what connects to your gear shifter. It goes under your car, and this part over here is where it attaches under your car, and then this part goes into your engine bay. So I'm going to show you that right now. So as you can see right here, this part over here, this was the first cable, and this one goes forward and backward this way. So if this was pushed this way, that would go into third, and if this was pulled back that way, it would go into fourth. And then we have another one over here, and this is for the neutral, the side to side movement. So this part goes that way, and it also goes that way. And yeah guys, that's what it looks like. If you have a problem with your shifter cable, what you can do is take this out over here and take this one out over here, and you'll be able to get a feel for your cable, how resistive it is. So the reason I actually have these cables is because this one over here was stuffed, so it takes a lot of force to go in and out, whereas this one, if you look at it, it goes in and out so easily, you know, you can do it with ease. But this one takes a lot of force, and so yeah, that's why I changed these cables, and that's how you can tell if your cables are bad or not. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.